Friends, welcome back. In this tutorial, we will study about for statement. The for statement is the most commonly used looping statement in C. Now, the general form of this for statement is this. First, we write for, and after that, what happens? For is followed by parenthesis enclosing three expressions separated by semicolon. And after that, these parentheses are followed by a statement. This statement can be a simple statement or a compound statement. So what are the purpose of these three expressions, expression 1, expression 2 and expression 3, which are enclosed in parentheses, which is followed by for? Now what is their significance? Expression 1 is used to initialize some parameter which is called an index, and this index controls the looping action. Expression 2 represents a condition that must be true for the loop to continue execution. So what happens? This statement is executed repeatedly as long as this expression 2 is true. And then this is the expression 3. Now expression 3 is used to change the value of the parameter initially assigned by expression 1. So what happens? This expression 1, it is usually an assignment expression, and this expression 2, it is a logical expression, and this expression 3, it is usually a unary expression or an assignment expression. So in for statement, what happens? At the starting of each pass of the loop, this expression 2 is evaluated. If this is found to be true, then this statement will be executed. If it is not found to be true, if it is found to be false, then what happens? The loop will stop there. This statement will not be executed. And this expression 3. This expression 3 is evaluated at the end of each pass of the loop. This expression 3 is evaluated after the execution of this statement. So this looping action will continue as long as the value of expression 2 is not 0, right? So this looping action will continue as long as this expression 2 is found to be true. See an example. In this example, it will be clear how this for statement works. See this program. In this program, inside the main function, within these curly braces, you can see the code. So this is the first statement inside the main function. In this statement, what happens? I have declared an integer variable digit, and after that there is a for statement. So in for statement, you can see that for is followed by parenthesis, which is enclosing three expressions. In first expression, what happens? This variable digit, to this variable digit, value 0 is assigned. Now you can see second expression. Second expression is a condition. So here the condition is digit is less than or equal to 5. And now you can see this third expression. This third expression, what it does, it increases the value of variable digit by 1. And after that, after these parentheses, you can see that these parentheses are followed by this statement. What this statement does, it calls this printf function to print the value of variable digit. So in this case, what happens? You can see that in expression 1, in first expression, what happens? Value 0 is assigned to the variable digit. So in first pass, of the loop, the value of variable digit is 0. So at the starting of the pass, what happens? This condition is checked. It is checked whether the value of variable digit is less than or equal to 5. If it is found to be true, then this statement will be executed, right? If it is found to be true, then what happens? This printf function will be called, and this printf function will print the value of variable digit. And after the execution of this statement, what happens? This expression 3, which is inside the parenthesis, that expression 3 will be evaluated. So what is the expression 3? This expression 3 increases the value of variable digit by 1, right? Now the value of variable digit has become 1 after increment. Then next pass will start, and at the beginning of next pass of the loop, this expression 2, which is this condition digit less than equal to 5, this condition is evaluated. If it is found to be true, then this statement will be executed again, right? And after the execution of this statement, this expression 3, which increases the value of variable digit by 1, this expression is evaluated. And after that, next pass will start, and at the beginning of next pass, this condition which is specified by expression 2, this condition is checked, right? So what happens in this way, this statement will be executed as long as this expression 2, as long as this condition is found to be true. Now let us see a program which is having this for statement. When we see this program, our concepts will be more clear. Now see this program, and now see inside the main function, the first statement is this. Here I have declared an integer variable a, and after that you can see this for statement. So here I have written for, and for is followed by parenthesis which is enclosing 3 expressions. So first expression is this one. Here the value 1 is assigned to this integer variable a. Second expression is a condition, and it is the condition is a less than or equal to 5. And third expression is this one, and this expression, what it does, it increases the value of variable a by 1 whenever it is evaluated. Now this is the statement. It is a simple statement, it is not a compound statement. So what happens? The initial value of variable a is 1, and this statement which calls this printf function to print the value of variable a, this statement will be executed as long as the value of variable a is less than or equal to 5. After the execution of this statement, which calls this printf function, this expression 3 is evaluated, which increases the value of variable a by 1. So what is the output of this program? This program prints all integers from 1 to 5 on the screen. When the value of variable a exceeds the value 5, then this condition will become false. And when this condition becomes false, this statement which prints the value of variable a will not be executed. So what happens? What would be the output of this program? This program will print all the integer numbers from 1 to 5 on the output screen. Now let us execute this program. So here you can see that this program has printed all the integer numbers from 1 to 5. So this is how this for loop works.